Crosse County residents are still cleaning up after a powerful tornado ripped through parts of West Salem and Barre Mills this week. News 8's Eric Jacobson spoke to residents there today. He joins us now in the newsroom with more. Eric?
Mike, the National Weather Service announced that Monday's tornado was rated EF1 with wind speeds up to 110 miles per hour. For residents there, the damage may be great, but they know it could have been much worse.
Those three trees there are all laying here.
Kenneth Hauser was winding down Monday evening just when Mother Nature was winding up.
There was a big flash of lightning right up here, and the house started to shake.
It was only afterwards when he realized the full extent of the damage.
One boy called me and he said, "Look outside and see if you got any damage." And I couldn't get out the door because of this tree.
7 trees snapped on his land, including one just feet from his house.
It could have went on the house if that wouldn't have went, if the wind wouldn't have come from straight from the south, and it come a little more that way. Probably would have went on the house, if it was that as strong as it was.
Just a few miles north,
there's different cracks along the wall and the inside of the house.
The Weirs family are doing their own cleanup.
When I was running down the stairs, I definitely thought the whole house was going to come down on me.
The Weirs suffered a collapsed porch on their home, and several barns were either destroyed or damaged on their farm.
I mean, a little thunderstorm, that would have been great. We don't mind thunderstorms at all, but definitely we're not expecting a tornado and not expecting the amount of damage that happened out here as well as, our other neighbors.
Despite the extent of the damage, both families believe they were lucky.
It could have taken the house and I'd have been buried in there, I guess.
We can focus on, recovering right here and not having to go to the hospital and visit somebody that was hurt. Everything here that's ruined is replaceable.
Now, both families I spoke to today say it's too early to determine the cost of how much damage they suffered as a result of Monday's storms. And despite the damage, the Weirs family did not lose any animals.
Okay, thanks a lot, Eric. According to the National Weather Service, this is the earliest in the year a tornado has ever been recorded in La Crosse County.